One of the first operational jet fighters at the end of World War II was built by Lockheed. It looked something like this airplane, and that fighter was known as a P-80 Shooting Star. It had as a fighter due to the fact that Lockheed has. Don't forget more about Greg Collier and the airplane he calls the Acemaker. Greg, wired right shoulder again. This time Greg with the smoke on is down and dirty. This is where the speed goes to its slowest speed of 115 knots indicated. With that slow speed, he has still full controllability and between 20% and 30% of buffer above the small speed. Back in 1948, and the jets in 1948 were still relatively new. So watch for Greg to bend it around. Now from a left turn in those pylon turns, the figure 8 on the ground, right out of the Disney movie wire. We'll start to turn to the right. Then you're about 4 to 5 G's in that tight turn. He'll hook up the smoke, and that obstacle course in the sky will be complete. Greg Collier, works in the Oakland area as an air traffic controller. The aircraft has been very much in demand at military shows and civilian shows from coast to coast. The last couple of seasons, working on a string of shows at the East Coast, he would simply leave the aircraft there as he executes the 4-point precision hesitation. Fly back to this area, do his work in it. Air traffic controller fuel have been saved through that efficient winglet made by the Joe Clark Company, who has Joe, by the way, has a fleet of warbird aircraft up in Seattle. He flies regularly. He's been flying for a long time. Got a chance to see him a couple of weeks ago. Greg Collier making his way down to the ground. The airplane is called the Acemaker. Greg Collier is call sign Wired, W-I-R-E-D, and he's brought to you this weekend by the Don Chapin Company.
And while we're bringing Greg in, I'll also acknowledge that we have the KIA honor flag on the field here. That folks who are, the flag is for the heroes that have paid the ultimate price, the heroes that have gone before, and the heroes of the new war. And they would like to invite all in attendance to participate. You can sign the KIA honor flag. It's
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome the man who will provide the narration for you. His call sign is Smurf. He is Mike Jemby.
There it is. That incredible MiG-17. So some slight adjustments. There it is. So close to
ladies, I want to give you all a big shout out as well. Anything is possible, girls.
There you will see crew members that are holding poles. Now Melissa has surveyed those poles. You'll see those crew members in their safety vests. Poles are about 22 feet high, a little wider than the wingspan of Melissa's Edge 540 or aircraft. Now, at this time, after surveying the ribbon and the poles and the wind, she will attempt to cut the ribbon. Look out at the crew members with the poles. Look back at Melissa with the smoke gun as she bears down, lower and lower. What I didn't tell you is she's going to try it the hard way by flying upside down.